I have an exciting tap along for you that's going to help you feel more empowered, more hopeful that you overcome your social anxiety. Hey, my name is Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com. You might be aware of the fact that I've been promoting my Social Confidence Club quite extensively with video testimonials and so on, and we've closed registration. It's going to be closed for the rest of the year. But as one of the first videos of the Social Confidence Club, I created a little tap along to help people feel even more optimistic than they already were. And I thought, hey, that would be a nice video tap along to do for my YouTube channel as well. So it's edited, so you don't get the little preamble, because I talk about the 5 stages and how we're gonna work through that, and I set things up, but you don't get that. You don't get that intro because it doesn't apply to you per se. And then there's a little outro, which you also don't see. So you just get the tap along portion of it. So without further ado, let's go. So let's just start tapping on the side of your hand, and just close your eyes for a second to start. And while you've got your eyes closed, just listen to the sound of my voice. And I know that at this moment you're already aware of the fact that you can change, but there's still a part of you that might still believe it's not possible, or that it's difficult, or you won't get there, it's too hard to believe, maybe you don't deserve it, etc. So there's kind of like 2 parts of you. One part of you that feels quite hopeful, optimistic, maybe even excited, and another part of you that's having some doubt. And I want you to connect with that part of you that's having some doubt, and it's okay for that part to be there. It's totally all right. Just allow that part to be there. That part of you is actually looking out for you. It doesn't want you to get disappointed. It doesn't want you to get upset. And we're going to be doing a bit of tapping. I want you to check in with that part and see how strong that doubt is, how strong that worry is that you won't overcome it, or that fear maybe even. This is rated on the scale 0 to 10. And then just open your eyes and follow along with me. Repeat after me out loud. Say what I say, repeat what I say. Tap where I tap. Monkey see, monkey do. Easy. All right. Even though I feel pretty optimistic about this, I think I can overcome my social anxiety. Or at least I'm hopeful. There's also a part of me that's not so hopeful, that is doubting. And I want to accept both parts of me. Or at least try to accept both parts of me. Behave your eyebrows. I'm really hopeful. Side eyes. No, I'm not. On the eyes. Yes, I am. On the nose. I can really overcome this. Chin. No, I can't. Collarbone. Yes, I can. On the arms. Who am I kidding? This is too difficult. On the liver point. Well, others have done it too. On the wrist point. But they weren't as messed up as me. Top of that. But tapping really works. Beginning of the eyebrows. What if it doesn't work for me? Side of the eyes. Yeah. What if I'm one of these tough cases? On the eyes. And do I really deserve to be socially at ease? On the nose. It sounds too good to be true. Chin. But I gotta stay optimistic. Collarbone. I have to be positive. On the arms. But I do acknowledge that there's a part of me that has some doubt. On the liver point. And it's okay to have doubt. Wrist point. That part is just trying to take care of me. Top of that. Make sure that I don't get hurt. On the beginning of the eyebrow. So I choose to accept every part of me. On the side of the eyes. there's a part of me that has some doubt on the eyes, and I'm making that okay on the nose. Because even though a part of me is a bit doubtful, chin, there's another part of me that's more optimistic. Chin. And I'm gonna let that part of me run the show. Under the arms. I'm going to give space to the part of me that's doubtful. Liver point, and move forward anyway. Wrist point. And I can gather some results for myself. Top of that. And present it to the doubtful part of me. Beginning of the eyebrows. And I also want to let this doubtful part of me know, side of the eyes, that it might take some time on the eyes, that it won't happen instantly on the nose. But I'm committed to the journey to social ease. Chin. And that commitment keeps me going. Collarbone. And results will motivate and inspire me. Under the arms. And tapping really does work. On the liver point, it's scientifically proven to be effective. Wrist point, lots of other people have gotten great results with it. On the top of the hat. And the things I tried in the past, beginning of the eyebrows, are completely different than what I'm doing right now. Yeah. On the side of the eyes. And I don't have to go at it alone anymore. Under the eyes. I'm now supported on my journey. On the nose. There are lots of people with this challenge that I have. Chin. And it's a challenge that I have. Collarbone. It's not what I am. Under the arms. I have a challenge. Liver point. And now I'm working on that challenge. Wrist point. I wasn't born with social anxiety. Top of the hat. I learned this. Beginning of the eyebrows. Through programming and experiences. Painful ones. Side of the eyes. My brain learned to see threat. Under the eyes. And I can neutralize those experiences with tapping. On the nose. I can undo that programming. Chin. I can shift my beliefs. Collarbone. And I don't have to do it alone anymore. Under the arms. This time I'm guided along the journey. Liver point. I think I might be able to do this. Wrist point. There's accountability in place. And it's not that hard to do this a couple of times a week. Top of that. I got this. And even if I have some doubt, I choose to show up and take action anyway. Deep breath. Relax. Very good. All right. Hope that was helpful for you. Here's what I want you to do right now. Put in the comment section below how you're feeling after having tapped along with this. And I'll be there in the comment section with you. All right. Looking forward to hearing from you, and I'll connect with you very soon. Bye for now.